In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to play the song ILY, I Love You by Surf Mesa featuring Emilee. So stay tuned. Hey everyone, this is Matt from You Can Uke, and every week I'm releasing new song tutorials so you can learn how to play the ukulele. So don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss a lesson, and consider joining me on Patreon where I have a chord chart available for this tutorial. Alright, let's check out this song together. So to play ILY, I Love You, we first need to make sure that our ukulele is in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A. And if you need help tuning your ukulele, then make sure that you check out my online ukulele tuner video. Next, there's 4 chords that we need to know in order to play this song. And those chords are C minor, F major, B flat major, and G minor. Let's check out those chords together now. So the first chord for this song is C minor. To play that, take your second finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 3rd fret, take your 3rd finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret, then take your 4th finger and press down on the 1st string of the 3rd fret. This is C minor. The next chord is F major. To play that, take your 1st finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, then take your 2nd finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is F major. The next chord is B flat. To play that, take your 1st finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 1st string of the 1st fret, take your 3rd finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, then take your 4th finger and press down on the 4th string of the 3rd fret. This is B flat major. And the last chord for the song is G minor. To play that, take your 1st finger, press down on the 1st string of the 1st fret, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret. This is G minor. Now we're going to learn to play the strumming pattern for this entire song. It's just going to be down, down, pause, tap. Let's play that strumming pattern now on the C minor chord. 1, 2, 1, 2, down strum, go. Down, tap, down, pause, tap. 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 Now we're going to learn the chord progression for this entire song. It's just going to be C minor for 4 beats, F major for 4 beats, B flat major for 4 beats, and G minor for 4 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by ringing out each chord. 1, 2, 1, 2, C minor, go. 1, 2, F major, go. 1, 2, B flat, go. 1, 2, G minor, go. 1, 2, C minor again. 1, 2, F major, go. 1, 2, B flat, go. 1, 2, G minor, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now let's apply the strumming pattern with that chord progression. 1, 2, 1, 2, C minor, down strum. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that we know all the chords, the chord progression, and the strumming pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through ILY, I Love You. 1, 2, 1. I love you, baby, and if it's quite alright, I need you lately to warm these lonely nights. I love you, baby. Trust in me when I say, hey, I love you, love you, love you, love you. I love you, love you, want to play through the rest of that song, then check out my ukulele cover for ILY I Love You. And that's how you play ILY I Love You by Surf Mesa featuring Emilee. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it brings you success in learning how to play ukulele. Also, I want to give a special thanks to my friends at Flight Music for sponsoring this video, and to my friends at Soundbrenner for allowing me to showcase their awesome metronome watch. I'm going to leave links in the description box below so you can check out more of the products. And finally, I want to invite you to join the You community on the Vibely app. This is a place where you can engage with other ukulele players, join cool challenges, and win free prizes. So download it today. It's available for all iPhone and Android devices. Again, don't forget to subscribe to check out these next tutorials and to keep practicing and keep playing, because you can